guys, PayPal had visited our campus in the month of July 2021 for the role of software engineer. The eligibility criteria was 85% or 8.5 CGPA above in 10th, 12th and pursuing degree and no standing arrears. The first round was an online assessment of 2 hours conducted on the HackerEarth platform. The first question was that a n cross m chessboard is given with 3 pieces such that one moves only diagonally, second moves horizontally or vertically, while the third moves in any direction in which the previous two could move, and we were asked to find total valid chess moves possible. The question can be categorized as easy level. The second question was a string and DP based, such that a string with lowercase characters and question mark symbol in between is given such that the question mark symbol can be replaced by any lowercase character such that first and last characters should be same while no adjacent characters should be same, and total number of such combinations need to be printed. This question was medium to hard level. Out of 427 students, 31 students were shortlisted and the cutoff was 1 question. Round 2 was Technical Interview 1, which was a 1 hour and was conducted on MS Teams and Collab Edit, and I had 2 interviewers. I was asked to explain any one of my projects and was asked about the difficulties faced. Next was a coding question where I had to find mutual friends between person A and B with an added constraint to suggest mutual friends who is closest in terms of cultural aspects or common interest. I had done BFS traversal and taken numerical weightage for common interest. It's very important to take proper variable names and write comments and to dry run the whole code with relevant examples. Next was an anagram code. These were some of the questions asked to my friends. Infix to postfix, trees question where pre-order traversal concept had to be used, rightmost maximum of each element in an array, express a number as sum of perfect squares. Question similar to the minimum number of platforms required, sorting problem to be solved using 5 different data structures, finding intersection of Y-shaped linked list, maximum product subarray. Related to binary search, given a number n, find the next greater element than n such that the number is a multiple of n and has digits of only 0 and 9. Find first and last partition of element in sorted array. Round 3 was Technical Interview 2, which was a 1 hour and was conducted on MS Teams and Collab Edit. The first question was to code the vertical order traversal of a binary tree. The second question was to get the quotient without using the division, multiplication or modulo operators. I had coded using the minus operator. Then he asked me to decrease the time complexity, as when the dividend is much greater than the divisor, then this method consumes a lot of time. He helped me to reach the correct approach. These are some of the questions that were asked to my friends. Related to internship, insert, delete, get random, search in a row-wise and column-wise sorted matrix, check if all the leaves are at the same level, subset some problem similar to sieve of Eratosthenes, DFS related application-based graph question, given 2 points A and B such that x1 is greater than x, y1 is greater than y, print all possible paths from A to B. Only a pointer to a node to be deleted is given in a linked list. Given an array of values, find the number of ways in which you can reach a target. Find the number of n where good node n represents from root to n where there shouldn't be any node whose value is greater than n dot value. The round 4 was hiring manager round of 30 minutes conducted on MS Teams and Notepad. A puzzle was given with n balloons and we had to find a way in which we can burst maximum balloons. This is similar to maximum number of points on a line, but he wanted another approach too. The other approach was to take a matrix and assume matrix positions as 1 wherever the balloons are present and count the maximum number of balloons in a row or column or diagonally. Then he asked me to ask any questions related to the company. 8 people were selected for FTE plus internship and I was one among them, and 5 people were selected for internship only. Here are some interview tips. Be thorough in DBMS, OS and OOPS concept. Practice lots of DSA questions in LeetCode or Geeks for Geeks. Dry run the code and explain them through comments and proper variable names. Be clear with your explanation and be fluent in English and be confident. Here are some resume tips. Maintain a good CGPA, that is above 9. Have 2 to 3 self-made projects. Take part in hackathons and contribute to open source. Have a few research papers. If you have good CodeShift and Codeforces ratings, then it's an added advantage.